Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see GTA 5 enhanced how to install 100% save file. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search GTA 5 enhanced save file and select press enter. Select the first site, scroll down, select the download option in manual, scroll down again and select the free download option. Select slow download and you just need to wait for 5 seconds. It will download it. If it doesn't have the Nexus mods account, then you just need to create it to get downloaded. In my case, I already logged in, so it gets downloaded really fast. Just right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, double click on again, copy all these files. Then you just need to check my video description for Steam, Epic Games, and Rockstar game users for the file path location, and go to C drive, go to users, public documents, and social club, this folder, GTA5 enhanced random numbers. Paste the files in here, select the replace the file in the destination, and now just to close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, we have successfully replaced the save game file, and just press the escape key as you see the dollars listed. That's all you have to do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.